Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Learning, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Charlie, and take a deep breath and relax with us today.
Hi, friends. I'm Paul. Charlie, many learners feel nervous when they speak English, right?
Yes, that's true. I feel the same sometimes. Fear can stop us before we even try. So today, we will talk about English confidence meditation.
Charlie, do you remember your first time speaking English in public?
Oh, yes, my heart was fast and my hands were cold. I was very scared,
Same here. I thought people would laugh at my mistakes.
but they didn't, and that fear slowly went away.
Confidence starts in the mind. Before speaking, close your eyes for a moment.
Breathe in slowly. Breathe out slowly. Say in your mind, I can speak English.
That's a simple meditation. It helps your brain feel calm and safe.
When you feel calm, words come more easily. Mistakes feel smaller.
Yes, remember, mistakes are part of learning. Every speaker makes them.
That's true. Even native speakers make mistakes every day.
Another tip is positive self-talk. Say, my English is improving.
I love that. I feel the same. Kind words to yourself change everything.
Also, practice speaking slowly. You don't need to rush.
Slow English is clear English. And clear English builds confidence.
Meditation plus practice is powerful. Just 5 minutes a day helps.
Imagine yourself speaking English with a smile. Feel proud.
Your brain believes what you imagine again and again.
So today's lesson is simple. Fear is normal, but you are stronger.
Yes, confidence grows when you are patient with yourself.
Speak English with courage, not perfection.
Take a breath, believe in yourself, and speak.
We believe in you. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.
Yes, also like my video and leave a comment what you learn from this video.